I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on the Sony Bravia. Enable Wi-Fi and connect it to the same router as your phone or laptop so devices can see each other. Next, open Settings, go to Network or Remote and Accessories and turn on Screen Mirroring or the relevant receiver mode. Make sure your source device supports Miracast, Chromecast built-in, or AirPlay. This determines which method you'll use. Once done, leave the TV on the mirroring waiting screen while you switch to the sending device. Now you'll initiate the connection from your phone or computer. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View, then select the Bravia entry. On iPhone, open Control Center, choose Screen Mirroring and pick the TV. For Windows, press Win+K or Open Project and select Connect to a wireless display. As you select the TV, the Bravia may ask to accept the connection. Confirm it on the TV. Make sure both devices remain on the same network. This avoids handshake failures. Finish by accepting the pairing prompt on the TV and waiting a few seconds for the screen to appear. You may notice a resolution change while mirroring stabilizes. If the picture is cropped, make sure TV display settings and your device output resolution match. Adjust overscan or aspect ratio on the Bravia. If mirroring fails, restart both devices, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi band, or test with a wired HDMI cable. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.